So, good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss Plotkin bound for binary code. In the yesterday class, we have discussed the Plotkin bound for query code. So, let me share the screen. Screen this is Sarvana.
Okay.
So, I am writing statement for Plotkin bound for binary code. Plotkin bound, it is for binary code. Okay, statement when d is even when t is even. Now instead of aq you write 2 because it is binary aq n comma d. It has to, it is less than or equal to, this is less than or equal to, the first thing is 2 times the lowest integral part of d upon 2d minus n. When if your n is less than, strictly less than 2d, if n is strictly less than 2d, and another it's 4 times d when somebody takes the value of length as the twice of distance. So the size optimal code will be maximum of 40. This is the case when d is even. Let us divide theorem in the two parts. Second, when d is odd, again you are going to write a2 n comma d less than or equal to something for certain conditions. You are taking distance as odd. When distance is odd, bound for this a2 n comma d is less than or equal to, again two case, 2 times the integral lowest integral part d plus 1 upon 2d plus 1 minus n. For n is less than, now you are assuming that d is odd, n is less than, instead of 2d you write 2d plus 1, and here it is 4d plus 4 is added for when n is 2d plus 1. In above case n less than 2d म्हटलं तर ऑड आहे तर 2d plus 1 असा नंबर आपण पुढचा घेतला त्या ठिकाणी. Now can anybody revise the statement of Plotkin bound? Proof is left as exercise in this book. Okay, we'll prove here. We know the Plotkin bound. What is the statement? aq n comma d, this is less than or equal to what? The lowest integral part of d upon d minus rn. What is this r? In that case, r is 1 minus q inverse. This is the statement of Plotkin bound. Now first part we are proving that when d is even, when this d is even and your q is binary, so q, what is the value of r? 2 inverse means 1 upon 2, so value of r is 1 by 2. So when d is even, and once again one statement you have mentioned that rn has to be less than n. Rn has to be less than d, sorry, rn has to be less than d. So what this statement gives us? Half times n is less than d. For this you are writing, that means you are writing for n less than 2d. That's it. You are writing for n less than 2d. And now just substitute values here. You are writing for n less than 2d. For n less than 2d. From the Plotkin bound above, just you have to put the value q equal to 2, r equal to that 1 by 2, or whatever that values are there. in the Plotkin bound. So a2 n comma t by the Plotkin bound, this is less than or equal to the integral part of d upon d minus rn. What value of r is this, and value of n काय घेतला आपण? Okay, value of n is less than 2d घेतलं. This n is less than 2d, म्हणजे half times n is less than d, म्हणजे हा पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर येतोय. यासाठी आपण ते मेन्शन केलं. सो कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं तर हे काय येईल? d upon 2d minus n upon 2. If we simplify this, it becomes 2d divided by 2d minus n. But 2 is the integral part, you can take it out. We don't know what about the 2 is the constant, now you can't take the out. This 2 is constant, so we can take it out. So it is 2 times d divided by 2d minus n. So you have verified from the Plotkin bound. This a2 n comma d is less than or equal to 2 times the lowest integral part of d upon it is 2d minus n. When n is less than 2d. But what happens when for n equal to 2d? n equal to 2d ठेवलं ते 0 आल्यासारखं दिसतंय. तर आपल्याला थोडंसं वेगळं ट्रिक या ठिकाणी अप्लाय करायचं आहे. For n equal to 2d, what tricks we are going to apply? In the exercise 6, that is last unit of your last course, it is mentioned that use this result or try to prove this. aq n d हा काय असतो? This is less than or equal to q times aq of n minus 1 times d. That's it. If the length is reduced by 1, if this length is reduced by 1, you can multiply that by q. This was in the last unit exercise of problem 6 or 7, I think it is. But okay, this problem we are going to use here. But for you have homework to prove this. Just try to do this. So now a2 n comma t, since n is 2d, so you are writing this as q times. Now q value of q is 2 multiplied by a2 n minus 1 comma d. Okay, so this will be less than or equal to 2 times. Now for this, once again you apply above Plotkin bound. What was that? The lowest integral part. This is less than or equal to, I am writing. I am not writing equal to here. This, the circle is less than or equal to what? Just put value d, 2d, and instead of n you put, instead of this here you have to put n minus 1, because length is now n minus 1 here. So it is d upon 2d minus n, length is n minus 1. So after simplification you get the required. Simplification केल्यावर काय येतं त्या ठिकाणी पहा. What you get after simplification? Where it is? Okay, try to simplify that. N equal to 2d you have to put there. This is one note is very slow. Okay, here we have to put n equal to 2d. So what you get, this equal to the integral, this 2 is multiplied d upon 2d minus 2d, because value of n is 2d, this plus 1, so it's just d, so you get answer it as 2d. Denominator 2d get cancel and plus 1 higher minus plus 1 होईल. So d upon 1, d हा डिस्टन्स आहे म्हणजे इंटिजर आहे, तर d upon 1 काय लोएस्ट इंटिग्रल त्याचा d येईल, म्हणजे it is 2d. So we have verified that in the first part. a2 n comma d, this is less than or equal to, in the statement this is less than or equal to 2 multiplied by the lowest integral part of d upon d minus 2d minus n. But which case, when this n is strictly less than 2d, this n is strictly less than 2d. But when you take n equal to 2d, you have to apply that example to show that it has 2d size. At most it has 2d size. So for n equal to 2d, we have to take special case, and that example you have to keep in mind. What example? AQ n comma d is nothing but q times the distance length is reduced by 1. Only thing is this is less than or equal to. And for this you are again going to apply Plotkin bound whose length is n minus 1. So when you put n equal to n minus 1 here, that when you put 2d, it will not get cancelled, plus 1 term you get. So d upon 1 you will get, and 2d will be there. So this number is always d, because d divided by 1 is d, and d is integer. So you can write direct like this. So any query in this part? Only thing is that you have to prove this AQ and d is less than or equal to q times AQ n minus 1 in comma d. You just search, you will get proof somewhere, or think on small example and try to construct the proof of that. The second part that we want to show is when d is odd. Once again, go back to your last semester, what we did. When d is odd, we know that now instead of q I write 2, because your field is binary. AQ n comma d, this is always A2, the length is increased by 1 and distance is also increased by 1. So these two are one and the same. We have verified this for linear as well as non-linear code. For BQ and D it is also true. We have checked it in the last semester. I think it is theorem 5.1.11 is there. Straight away you can read. Theorem 5.1.11 is there. From that statement, the A2 n comma d can be written as A2 n plus 1 comma d plus 1 for this. Now apply, now here distance is given now. In above case we can apply. What above case says that for the distance E1, it is 2 times the distance. Now distance is d plus 1 divided by 2 times distance. Distance is d plus 1 minus length. What is length? Length is n plus 1. And this you are taking for n less than or equal to 2d instead of it is 2d plus 1. You just take higher version of this, 2d plus 1. And for n equal to 2d. So what happens here? 2 divided by, okay, it is 2 times. What we should write here in above case when n equal to 2d, n equal to 2d plus 1. What you should write in above case? वरच्या केस मध्ये आपण काय लिहू शकतो? आपण वरती काय आलं पहा, AQ&D. ओके, we did something wrong in above. It is less than or equal to 2d लिहिलं, पण या ठिकाणी थेरम मध्ये 4d लिहिले बहुतेक. इथं कसं आलं पहा, कोणतरी ऍडमिट करून सांगा. इथं 4d यायला पाहिजे होतं. 4d should be there. ओके, आलं लक्षात. हे पहा, आपण काय केलंय, हा 2 मल्टिप्लायर घेतलाय. प्रॉब्लेम मधला हा q इक्वल टू 2 हा मल्टिप्लायर घेतलाय, पण ह्याचं लेस दॅन इक्वल लिहितानाचा 2 मल्टिप्लायर घेतला नाही आपण. 2 टाइम्स लिहितो आपण, 2 टाइम्स d अपॉन दिस. तर त्यामुळे तो 4 येतो या ठिकाणी. ही गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या. दिस A2 n minus 1 d is less than or equal to 2 times d upon 2d minus n minus 1. तर हा 2 राहिला होता लिहायचा. So 2 into 2 4, you get 4. So it should be 4 here, huh? So here it should be 4, 2 into 2. Here it should be 4. This 4d is there. Okay. Now here it is 4d. The last state is it is 4d. And what is the calculation then? Now just do the calculations. What is gives equalities for this only, otherwise A2 and D is less than or equal to. So what you get, it is 2 times the numerator is d plus 1, denominator is 2d plus 2 minus 1, it is 2d plus 1 minus n when n is less than 2d plus 1. and finally this is 4 times d. 4 times d plus 4, it should be 4 times distance plus 1, because distance of this code is d plus 1. So 4 times of that distance you are going to write. So 4d plus 4, when n is 2d plus 1. So at last you wrote a to n comma d is less than or equal to this. So this Plotkin bounds for binary code you should remember always. You are writing what is the maximum possible size of that code. Okay, from the Plotkin bound, just calculate this. What is a to 8 comma 5 from the Plotkin bound? This is less than or equal to the integral power 2 times of distance. Distance is 5. Plotkin bound प्रमाणे हे लिहायचं आणि हा बायनरी राहायचा त्याप्रमाणे लिहायचं. तर हा मोर रिफाइंड व्हर्जन काय या एक्झाम्पलद्वारे आपल्याला लक्षात येईल. इट इज डिस्टन्स अपॉन distance minus r is 1/2 and length is 8. So what this computation gives us? The computation काय आहे पहा, 5/1. बरोबर आहे की पहा. This calculation, just check it. Plotkin bound प्रमाणे check. ओके, तर प्लॉटकिन बॉन्ड प्रमाणे 2 नाही. ओके सॉरी, इथं प्लॉटकिन बॉन्ड मध्ये 2 नाही, त्या वरच्या इवन पार्ट मध्ये 2 आलेला तो. सो a to 8,5 is less than or equal to 5 due to Plotkin. Now Plotkin बायनरीचा विचार करा. Plotkin बायनरी विचार केला तर हा a to 8,5 डिस्टन्स ही ऑड आहे. डिस्टन्स इज ऑड. सो फॉर ऑड डिस्टन्स ऑड आहे, पण ती कंडिशन बघा. आता कंडिशन काय होती, 2d plus 1. 2d plus 1 म्हणजे काय, 5 into चेक करा, आणि a to 8,5 काय तर चेक करा. ते a to 8,5 is binary case. Just do this calculation in above case. I am writing for the odd case what you are written here. For the odd case you are writing 2 times d plus 1, that is 6, divided by it is divided by 2d plus 1. 2d plus 1 means 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11, minus n, length is 8. Okay, so what is this number? 6/3, it is 2, so it is 4. So a to 8,5 is less than equal to 4. म्हणजे 5 येणार नाही त्याचा अपर बाउंड. हा काय असेल, लेस दॅन इक्वल टू 4, म्हणजे मोर रिफाइनमेंट झालेला. The highest size of the code having length 5 and distance length 8 and distance 5, its height size will be 4. Its height size will be 4 for binary code. So ह्याचं सांगायचं कारण एकच की we get more refined bound than the Plotkin bound in case of binary field. Binary. I am asking to do same calculations for next a to 8,6. Due to Plotkin you can write it. This is less than or equal to distance upon distance minus rn. Distance is 6 and r is 1 minus q inverse, that is it is binary, so it is 1/2. And just tell me what you get here. Calculate करा हे Plotkin प्रमाणे. आता याची डिस्टन्स e1 आहे. डिस्टन्स e1 आहे तर आपण वरती पाहिले. आता डिस्टन्स हा 6 आहे. सो 2 टाइम्स डिस्टन्स ही काय असेल पाहिजे, ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू तुमचं n असायला पाहिजे. ओके, तीच कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होते, काय अडचण नाही. For the even case you are doing this as less than equal to 2 times d upon 2d minus n. इथे निगेटिव्ह नंबर आला समजायचं की प्रॉब्लेम आहे, आपण ते काढू शकत नाही. 2D मायनस एन निगेटिव्ह आला तर त्यामुळे आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना ही कंडिशन काय चेक करायची गरज नाही, कारण 2D हा एन पेक्षा लहान असायला पाहिजे हे महत्त्वाचं या ठिकाणी, कारण ते नंबर पॉझिटिव्ह राहील म्हणून. तर हे दोन्ही कॅल्क्युलेशन करा आणि काय सांगा मला. दिस इज बाय Plotkin query bound and this is Plotkin binary bound. Yes. So as per the calculations, 8,6 this number gives up to 4, for it is 3, and 8,6 this number gives up to 2. So we have refinement for this binary Plotkin bound is refinement for the query Plotkin bound. You just try for other example also. It asks to verify you. Okay, A2 8,6 लिहिलं आपण, A2 12,7. Now distance is odd, A2 12,7 in the both case, query Plotkin and binary Plotkin. A2 means you are writing for binary, and A2 11,8. Just find out those numbers here. Query Plotkin and due to binary Plotkin. Just calculate करा आणि मला सांगा हे पटकन. कोण सांगतंय?
पहिलं 4 आहे.
बोला विष्णू कदम.
4 पहिलं
काय आलं? 4 आलं का? 12,7 चं इथं का? इकडेच 4 येतं, इकडं 7 येतं, चेक करा. आणि दुसऱ्याचं इकडे 2 येतंय. दुसऱ्याचं इकडे 2 येतंय आणि पहिल्याचं किती येतं बघा इथं. त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त देणार, कारण हे रिफाइनमेंट केलं आपण. हे 3 येतं. चेक करा बरं हे दोन्ही. फॉर्म्युला 3 जर लिहिले असेल तर ठीक, नाही तर पुन्हा ठीक आहे. आता इन द बुक पेज नंबर 97 सम बाउंड्स फॉर 8,3, 8,5 आणि A2n,7 हॅव बीन डिस्कस. हे सगळे बाउंड तुम्ही फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करून लिहू शकता. I will mention there. Table I am not going to draw here. So table have been prepared, you just make note of this. Bounds for A2n,3. मग यांच्या किमती दिलेल्या त्या ठिकाणी. मग बाउंड फक्त प्लॉटकिनचे नाही काढलेले त्यांनी. स्पियर कवरिंग, हॅमिंग आणि आता इथं बायनरीचाच अप्लाय करायचा. स्पियर कवरिंग आपण लास्ट सेमिस्टरला पाहिलं. स्पियर कवरिंगनं काय बाउंड येतो? स्पियर कवरिंग नंतर हॅमिंग बाउंड प्रमाणे काय कॅल्क्युलेशन येतं, नंतर सिंगलटन बाउंड प्रमाणे काय कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे, आणि मग शेवटी प्लॉटकिन प्रमाणे काही व्हॅल्यूला देता येत नाही. काही व्हॅल्यू का देतात नाही? कारण तुमची कंडिशन एन मस्ट बी लेस दॅन 2D. लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू साठी वेगळा नंबर आहे आणि लेस दॅन साठी वेगळा, असे या प्रकारे 2 केसेस आहेत. जर 2D हे डिस्टन्स एन पेक्षा मोठं गेलं तर आपण त्याच्या खाली डॅश लिहायचं. वी कॅनॉट कॅल्क्युलेट फॉर द प्लॉटकिन. सो दिस टेबल हॅव बीन प्रिपेअर्ड. एन इक्वल टू लेंथ 3 घेतलंय, 4 घेतलंय, 3 to 12 पर्यंत कॅल्क्युलेट केलं प्रत्येकाला. जसं डिस्टन्स 3 घेतलं या ठिकाणी, तसं डिस्टन्स 5 पण घेतलेलं आहे आणि तसं डिस्टन्स 7 पण घेतलेलं आहे. सो दिस total 3 tables is mentioned on your textbook, page number 97. Just make a note of this, and huge number of questions will be prepared on this table. So what type of questions? Suppose I may ask A2 n value is 12 and distance is 3, and instead of plotting I may ask, okay, yeah, for this semester you don't have sphere covering and hemming bound, but I can ask due to singleton bound, who is the upper bound for this? Due to Plotkin bound, binary Plotkin bound or query Plotkin bound, who is upper bound for this? Look for sphere covering, that is also important. So all 4 bounds you should study: sphere covering bound, Hamming bound, singleton bound, and Plotkin bound. So 4 bounds for the distance 3 to 12 distance have been discussed. For distance 5 म्हणलं त्याच्यापासूनच पुढे लेंथ घेतली, 5 to 12 पर्यंत डिस्कस केलंय. आणि फॉर डिस्टन्स 7 to 12 त्या ठिकाणी डिस्कस केलंय. So just look for these, and in the table where Plotkin bound is not applicable. Why not applicable? If you submit case your this n is greater than 2d, so in 2d or 2d plus 1 if distance is odd, so in that case we cannot apply the Plotkin bound, so just dash is mentioned. So take a note of this and do the preparation of 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. Before that you should write sphere covering bound from the last semester, last unit topic. And Hamming bound also statement you should mention, then singleton bound, Plotkin bound, all 4 bound you write separately, and you just try to prepare your own table and match your table with this. It may be your home assignment or unit test assignment later on. So you have to do not just writing the table, you have to prepare all those calculations. Got it? लक्षात आले सर्वांना? आता हे टेबलचे जे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स तुमच्या असाइनमेंट म्हणून राहू शकतो. And now the last topic of this unit is we are going to study. Now so far we have discussed non-linear codes, linear codes. Now we will discuss who are the non-linear codes. Some, not all. We have 3 non-linear codes in this. There are more, but we are, in our curriculum we are discussing Hadamard matrix code, Nordstrom-Robinson code, and Tripletta codes. Just in the definition point of view that we are going to discuss. So first nonlinear code is Hadamard matrix code. Okay. Definition I am going to write here. Hadamard matrix code. Okay, first define matrix. Hadamard matrix Hn is an n cross n integer matrix. Keep in mind all the entries are integer. Hadamard matrix Hn, it is denoted, matrix is denoted by Hn, is an n cross n integer matrix whose entries are 1 or -1. No other entries, only entries are 1 or -1. And there is condition, and which satisfies the Hn and its transpose must be equal to n times identity matrix. So diagonal n you should write here, where In is identity matrix of order n, where In is identity matrix of order n. So S2 we can write, you have to construct S2 whose entries are 1 -1 like that. Okay, this I have written, and S2 transpose, the product should be your 2, 2 diagonal or 2 times I2 like this. So Hadamard matrix काय समजून घ्या अगोदर. Hadamard matrix notation is Hn. It is an integer matrix. Integer means it must have integer coefficient, but only 2 integers are mentioned, that 1 and -1, that entries. If Hn is there, its order has to be n, n. But this condition is important. The matrix which satisfies this condition, whose entries are 1, -1, that matrix is called Hadamard matrix. And you can search on the net, you will get more examples on this Hadamard matrix. So when such Hadamard matrix exists, आता n equal to 1 साठी विचार करा, H1 काय येईल? When such Hadamard matrix exists, when such Hadamard matrix exists. You have to think for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, and third case, n is multiple of 4. n is 1, n is 1 म्हणजे it is just like this. And H1 transpose is also same thing. And you know 1 into 1 product is 1. Order is 1, so it is okay. For 2, we can see for n, when n is multiple of 4. But the existence of Hadamard matrix is code for many values of n. So these three are known, 1, 2, multiple of 4. We can search for many also. The existence of Hadamard matrices are known for many n. For example, when n is power of 2, if n is 2's power, when n is 2's power, then that Hadamard matrices are called as Sylvester matrices. You just go and search on this Sylvester matrices. The Hadamard matrix whose size is power of 2, that matrices are called as Sylvester matrices. When matrix is of this form, prime power 2 plus m, suppose 2 raised to 1, 3 like that, n equal to p to the power m plus 1, where p is a prime. In that case, this number is divisible by n. This number is divisible by 4. This is called Paley construction matrix. P-A-L-E-Y, Paley construction matrix. This is called Paley construction matrix. So you have n equal to 1, 2, and multiple of 4, that type of Hadamard matrix. Also, if n is power of 2's, then such type of Hadamard matrices are known as Sylvester matrices. If n is divisible by 4 and which is of this form, p to the power m plus 1, where p is prime, then it is called the Paley construction. आता यामध्ये construction of Sylvester matrix AG आहे. Construction of Sylvester matrix AG. त्या ठिकाणी h1 equal to 1 ने स्टार्ट करू शकतो आपण. म्हणजे 1 म्हणजे काय, टू द पॉवर 0. मग h1 झाला, h2, h4 याप्रमाणे आपण कन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकतो. तर कन्स्ट्रक्शन फॉर सिल्वेस्टर मॅट्रिक्स थोडक्यात प्रोसिजर इथं पाहू आपण. We are just studying matrix. We haven't said anything about the code. So h, this n is multiple of powers of 2. This n is 2 to the power I is 0, then it is h2 and h1 equal to 1 घ्यायचा. h1 equal to 1 घ्यायचा. आता h2n कसं घ्यायचा? It is just like you have to write hn here, hn and negative of hn. And this n, समजा आता इथं n ची किंमत काय आहे, 2 to the power 0 घेतला आपण या ठिकाणी. आणि पुढे h2n लिहायचं असेल तर h2 कसा लिहिणार तुम्ही? आता इथे याच्यावरूनच h2, तर इथे n ची किंमत तुम्ही 1 घेतली म्हणजे 2 to the power 0 घेतल्यासारखी. तर इथे येईल 1, 1, 1 minus 1. When you see this h, so h1 is 1, h1 is 1, h1 is 1 and minus h1. So like this. Now next you should write it is h, आता n equal to 2 घेतला आपण या ठिकाणी, 2 to the power 1 म्हणजे h4 लिहायचा असेल तुम्हाला. तर h4 कसा लिहिणार तुम्ही? h2 minus h2 by the same algorithm. So construction of this Sylvester matrix is easy, and each time this matrix has order 2n. Okay, you have mentioned there. Now here this has 2 by 2 order, 2 by 2 order, so 2 rows 4 columns. Here 2 rows 4 columns, total 4 rows 4 columns. So construction of Sylvester matrices exist. आणि हा जो एक्झिस्ट, आता कोड कडे येऊयात आपण. हार्डमॉड कोड काय आहे? The existence of Hadamard matrix Hn. The existence of Hadamard matrix Hn implies that existence of binary nonlinear codes. Existence of binary nonlinear codes. And these are having following parameters. We have taken it from Plotkin query. So length is this n. Distance is, if your distance is less than 2d and d is even, from the binary Plotkin you have written it as, okay, they are optimal code. It satisfies your binary of Plotkin bound. So d upon 2d minus n. So you should write here condition for middle part. Your d is even. To get this number, you must have d is even, and d is less than equal to n, less than equal to 2d. That's it. And if d is for equality, this is strictly less than for n equal to 2d. If d is even, just you should write it is 2 length is n equal to 2d. Length is 2d. You are taking for equality. I am not writing here n. I am writing instead of n 2d direct. Then it is 4d. You have seen in the above case. Plotkin binary for d even, just for d even. Similarly, for d odd, you can write 2. So that type of parameters of the code exists. That's it. And whatever we have discussed here. Now for d odd, with these conditions, या पर वरती क्यूआर प्लॉटकिन बाउंडवर लिहिलेलं आहे. फक्त हे ऑप्टिमल कोड जो कोड असेल ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करणार तो ऑप्टिमल कोड असेल तुमचा बायनरी प्लॉटकिन बाउंड सॅटिस्फाय करतो. आणि डी हा इवन असेल आणि n इक्वल टू 2d इथं न लिहिता मी डायरेक्ट यांची किंमत 2d या ठिकाणी दिली. तर हे दोन कोड झाले. आता दुसरे काय, दुसऱ्या केसमध्ये काय केलं आपण, हे डी इवन झालं तर डी ऑडसाठी विचार केला आपण. तर हे कोडचा स्टडी कोणी केले पहा, लेव्हनस्टेन या बुकमध्ये जे प्लॉटकिन बाउंडचा अभ्यास करून हे जे हार्डवेअर मॅट्रिक्स काढलेत, हे लेव्हनस्टेन हा रिसर्चर आहे, याने याच्यामध्ये काम केलं आहे. यू कॅन सी द रेफरन्स 10 ऑफ दिस बुक. आय एम रायटिंग फॉर when d is odd. When d is odd, you have the Plotkin, due to Plotkin, we have this highest bound for this d plus 1 divided by 2d plus 1 minus n. This is the size that eqnd is less than equal. We are taking exactly equal to this, and due to that the code exists for d odd, and d is less than equal to n, less than equal to 2d plus 1, not equal to, less than 2d plus 1. And what happened when n is 2d plus 1? Okay, I am writing n equal to 2d plus 1 and distance d. The middle part should be 4d plus d for just d odd. So these 4 types of non-linear codes available. You are writing for non-linear, you are using the round brackets. The 4 types of these non-linear codes available for satisfying d even, d odd, and certain conditions of that d less than 2d and d less than 2d plus 1. These codes were constructed by Levenstein. And you can see the reference of this paper will be given in the 10. And due to Plotkin, they are optimal code. Plotkin's highest, सगळ्यात वरचा upper bound. This number you have written, they are the highest number. So they are optimal code. All 4 are optimal code, which are called as Hadamard matrix code. That's it. The next non-linear code is Nordstrom-Robinson code and Tripletta code. That we will discuss in the next class.